Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create impact logo animation in Adobe After Effects. Before starting this tutorial, please subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon. Open your After Effects, and import your project files. All of these files I used you can download from the link in video description. Now, create a new folder, and move imported files to this folder. Create a new composition. I am going with HDTV 1080p and 29.97 frame per second. Set duration to 5 seconds. Click OK. Drag our background photo to the timeline. Right-click on your mouse, rename it to BG, select Move All Attribute and click OK. Now, drag our logo to timeline, press S to open scale. Set scale size to 15, it will depend on your logo size. Anyway, if you don't have logo, you can use text in this place. Again, right-click on your mouse, and make it pre-compose. Rename it to Logo Comp, select Move All Attribute, and click OK. Select Logo Comp, and press D to duplicate it. Select this Logo Comps, and then pre-compose. Rename it to Logo Animation. Select Move All Attribute and click OK. Double-click on this. Now, select both composition, press S to open scale. Forward 2 frames. Click on this stopwatch icon to create keyframe here. Now, go back first frame, and set scale size to 657. It will create another frame here. Select all of this keyframe, right-click on your mouse, Keyframe Assistant, make them easy ease. Now, active motion blur. Here too. It will create nice looking animation. Select this top composition, go to Effects and Presets, and search for Shatter. Apply it on this composition. Let's change few settings of this effect. In here, change it to rendered. Now, select bottom composition, and again search for drop shadow. Apply it on this comp. Again search for bevel. Apply bevel edges to this comp. Adjust few settings. Now, apply bevel alpha to this composition. Here, change the edge thickness to 6. It will create a nice effects to our logo. Go to Project, and drag particles footage between this two composition. Adjust the timing of the particles. It's looking nice to me. Change this layer mode to screen. Go to Logo Animation Comp. Effect Controls. Click on Shape, change repetitions to 18. Switch back to the main composition. Let's see preview. Drag lens flare footage to timeline, and changes mode to screen. let's adjust its timing. Go to Layer, and add new text. Type your channel name. Change its color to white. Choose your font. And adjust its size. Right-click on this, make pre-compose of text, rename it to text. Select Move All Attribute, click OK. Go to Effects and Presets, search for Linear Wipe. Apply it on this text. Go to 13 frames, change transition completion value to 100%. Now forward to 20 frames, and set transition completion to 0%. It will create a nice animation. Right-click on your mouse, create a null object. Now, select all of this layer, without BG and null object. Now, drag this to null object. Now, we can control all layers with this null. Select Null Select, and press S to open scale. Create a keyframe here, forward 3 frames and change scale value to 465. Apply motion blur to all of this layers. Now, create a new solid of all layers. Color black, click OK. Select black solid, and press T to open opacity. Set opacity to 100, and create a keyframe at start point. Forward 1 second, and set opacity to 0. Select this keyframes, right-click on your mouse, make them easy ease. Now, go to 3 seconds, and create a keyframe here. Forward 2 frame, and set opacity to 100%. Our animation is ready. Let's see preview. Hope you like this video. I will back with another tutorial within 3 days. Please, like this video and share with your friends. Subscribe this channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.